A little bit more about Strayos as a company. What we do is we build AI solutions which are applied into the mining operations. We have over 30 countries our platform is used. Now we have about 3,500 mines and police use systems on a daily basis, over 125 customer base. And we have a global presence, a global team that allows us to do 24/7 support. Overall, a lot of the projects that has been conducted in the platform, what that means is it's been a variety of data sets, and that's where the AI model becomes a lot more powerful as it goes through the time and tested testings and these models. And we have over 190 million images have been analyzed. That has led to various operational gains, and we have focused a lot more on the upstream side of the operations, such as drill and blast and the ore quality improvement here as well. What Strayos does in a nutshell. So starting from surveying and planning, which means you can bring the data from drones, lidars, imagery, or any other scan to input, and you can apply various data processing in the platform itself, which can generate a 3D digital twin, and which then utilize to do various type of analysis, such as geology analysis, drilling and blast planning, a suite of optimization tools to conduct what's my planning outcome will be, and then leading into various other optimization scenarios, from that. Post-blast, various types of analysis can be conducted on the bench itself to analyze backbreak, fragmentation analysis, vibration modeling, leading to various good understanding of what's my blasting outcomes will be. And then we have various other geotechnical analysis tools as well to understand what's my compliance, high-vol compliances, safety side, haul road analysis, as well as the rock mass characterization there. And then all this data can be also combined into one place to understand what we are tracking, which means in terms of KPI, whether we are meeting them or where are the areas for improvement. So usage of these day-to-day tools leads us to several cost benefits, as we can see, since the data is there.